Good morning, students. Today's topic is solution of a linear equations in two variable. In this very topic, we'll learn about how to find the solutions of a linear equations in one variable, how many solutions are there of a one variable, as well as how many are there in two variables. So first of all, let us recall some facts about the number of solutions in linear equations in one variable, and then we go with the two variables. The meaning of solution means the values, okay, the values of the given variable. For example, say we have x plus 2 equals to 0. What is the value of x? So simply we transpose the constant part and we write x equals to minus 2. This is the solution of the given equation in one variable. So it has got only one solution in case of one variable. In case of two variables, we have got infinite number of solutions. The reason behind getting infinite number of solutions is the way we write the given system of equations. So let's take, we have the equation as 2x plus y equals to 7. We are using two variables here. One is x, another is y. Alright. So in this particular equation, what we see, we have two ways of writing. One is x in terms of y or y in terms of x, depending upon our comfortability and depending upon the values which we will be getting in order to plot it on the graph. So what I mean to say here is we always go by the easiest way. 2x equals to 7 minus y and x equals to 7 minus y by 2. Writing y in terms of x and writing x in terms of y is equals to 7 minus 2x. So this one I think is more preferable because you just need to change the value of x in order to get the value of y. It is very simple, right? So how to change the value of x to get the value of y? In any of these two, x equals to 7 minus y upon 2 or y is equals to 7 minus 2x, you choose any one of these. I am choosing the second one. I don't want to go for division. I don't want to get the answers in fractions. I want to get the answers in simple, natural or whole numbers so that the points can easily be plotted on the graph and easily be tabulated in the tabular format. So y is equals to 7 minus 2x. Simply you can take the value of x, randomly you choose, okay? So let's take x equals to, we'll write let x equals to, say I am taking 1. So y will be equals to 7 minus 2 into 1. That becomes 7 minus 2. That becomes equals to 5. That implies y equals to 5, right? So you got at point x, which is equals to 1, you got the value of y as 5. Similarly, you can choose any other random values to get the values of y respectively. I hope I am clear here. Now to calculate the solutions of the given equation, we take x equals to 0. They have taken x equals to 0. They got y equals to 7. Okay, one more solution is at x equals to 0, y equals to 7. And to find another solution, you take y equals to 0, you get x equals to 3.5. So here they have got 3.5, which is a decimal value. I don't prefer this decimal value. Okay. Anyways, if they are only asking about to find the solutions, you can go for the fractional values also or decimal values also. Not a problem. But when the time comes when they will ask you to plot, first of all find the solutions and then plot on the graph, that becomes a little bit difficult to get the fractional values on the graph. Okay, then you have to go back to simply a little bit more in depth that you have learned in the first chapter, successive magnification method, or in your previous classes how to represent a given fractions of rational numbers on the given line. Okay, so to draw the given points on the given graph and to understand the Cartesian plane, which we have done in our previous classes, the Cartesian systems, and how to write the coordinates of the given equation. Like you get coordinates of the given equation, the two variables, the value of x and y, that will be the ordered pair, and then after getting the values, how to plot these points on the given graph. So drawing the Cartesian system first of all, and then writing the points. So to draw the graph of 3x plus 4y equals to 12, first of all we need to get the coordinates of the given equation. 3x plus 4y equals to 12. By getting the coordinates, we have here x equals to 0, y equals to 3, 4, and then 0. So how they got these values? After placing the value of x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in this given equation, okay, in this given equation, first of all, you need to put the values, or you just simply rearrange it and then put the values. You get the values of respective axis, that is y-axis or x-axis. If you put x equals to 0, you get y equals to 3. If you put y equals to 0, you get x equals to 4. You can scroll over to check the given equation once again, and you can do by yourself also. And then that comes for plotting up. So how to plot? So first of all, we have to draw the axis, the Cartesian plane here. So we have x-axis, which is the horizontal one, and the vertical one as y-axis. And then depending upon the given points, 0, 3 and 4, 0. Here is 0, 3 and here is 4, 0. You draw a straight line. Remember, the linear equation always gives you the straight line on the graph. Equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis here. When we draw the graph of the linear equation in one variable, then we will be it will be a point on the number line. X minus 5 equals to 0, x equals to 5. This shows that it has only one solution, that is x equals to 5. So it can be plotted on the given number line itself. But if you treat this equation as the linear equations in two variables, then it will be having infinitely many solutions and the graph will be a straight line. So x minus 5 equals to 0. This can be written in terms of two variables as x plus 0 into y minus 5 equals to 0. So this shows that this is the linear equations in two variables where the value of y is always 0. So the line will not touch the y-axis at any point. Remember, the line will not touch the y-axis at any point. X equals to 5, that is x equals to number, then the graph will be vertical line parallel to the y-axis. At the point on the line will be the solution of the given equation. So it looks like this. Alright, x equals to 5 here, this line at this point. Okay, because x is simply 5 because y was 0. If you take y equals to 2 also, say x equals to 5 was there, so x minus 5 equals to 0. So x plus 0 y minus 5 equals to 0. So x plus 0 y equals to 5. So if you put x equals to y equals to 1 also, if you put y equals to 1, then x equals to 5. If you put y equals to 1, x equals to 5. If you put y equals to 2, because 2 into 0 is 0 only, then in that case also x equals to 5 only. If you put y equals to 3, in that case also x equals to 5 only. So in every cases x equals to 5 only. So it will be 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 1, 2 and 3. So this point and this point. So it will be parallel to the y-axis. For parallel to x-axis, y is equals to minus 3 they have taken. You can take y is equals to 5 also. The line will be parallel to x-axis at point number 5. Say it is point number 5 here. So it will be parallel from here to here. Okay, so this will be parallel. It will look like this. Okay, and this will be parallel at point 5. This is y is equals to 5. So equation will be y plus 0x minus 5 equals to 0, or a standard form is 0 into x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. I hope this is clear to you all. You can try with some more examples, and if you face problems, you can ask in the virtual class. That's all from today. Thank you. You all have a great day.